So for today, we'll have a daytime high of 88 degrees with some scattered afternoon showers and storms. Another very humid day. And once again, those storms could produce very heavy rain in a short period of time. Lots of lightning strikes and some strong gusty winds. So for tonight, some isolated showers as we head towards the evening hours. Then we're dry overnight with decreasing clouds, an overnight low of 72 degrees. And here is the 7-day forecast. So basically upper 80s for the next couple of days. Does get hotter as we head into the weekend. For the next few days, rain chances at about 40 to 50% as those sea breezes converge on top of the peninsula.